All right. So, I'm recording because I found something I thought was cool. Because I'm not really the best reverse engineer. I'm still learning, but when I'm like just fucking around with this game, Assault Cube, let me just show you actually. Let me pull up Sheet Engine. So the tools I'm using in this video, I'm using reclass.net, and I'm gonna be using x32dbg and Sheet Engine. Okay. And I'm gonna be showing you how to find the entity list, a local player class, and how to make it so you can't take damage in game at all. So it's pretty gangster. This fucking debuggers are so fucking cool, bro. So I'll show you how to do this. Let me turn my sound on so I can hear my music. My music's pretty good. Not this, obviously. Let me turn this on. All right, so let me just get to it. Let me go find a grenade real quick so I can make sure I have two chains open. Let me just close that one out. Don't save. Attached to Assault Cube. So I just did this a second ago. When I found it, I was like, oh my god, this is a gangster. Like, I really had no idea there was such an easy way to get the entity list. And well, getting the player class is pretty easy because you just look at your character. Is there gonna be a fucking grenade around here? Okay, here we go. So let's take a little bit of damage real quick. Okay, 54. Pretty standard. I know it's the top one, so grab this address right here. Let's go into here. x32 debug, attach it to our AC client. It's gonna load for a second. Uh, let's just run the debugger until it stops. So, okay, well, it's not doing anything. Let's get it. Okay, so we can go into symbols here. Go into AC underscore client. Let's go into here. You go into your address dump. Right click on it. Press go to expression. Go to the expression. So this is where our health is stored. So if I pull up my calculator, so this is 36, right? It's because it's stored in hex. So we just go to decimal. Let's clear this. Our health in the game is 54. So it's 36 in hex, right? So we know this is our health. We can actually change this if we want to. Let's just change this to 64. Set our health to 100. Now we have 100 HP. Anyways, so what we can do is we can go to this address, hit a breakpoint hardware right, and let's set a, I think it's a D word. So we set a D word breakpoint there, okay? Let me turn this down. Alright, so we can set a D word breakpoint right here, right? So that's basically going to say when I take damage in the game, my breakpoint will activate and it'll pause it before my health gets changed, okay? Or after my health gets changed, like when my health value is being edited. So if I throw a grenade at myself right now, my entire game will freeze. Okay, so the game's frozen. Go to AC client, so we see uh we're at the address we want to be at 0F9. Okay, well that's okay. This is actually okay. Listen, this is where we want to be at. It just isn't gonna say it, like the addresses aren't really gonna line up because I don't really know exactly why, to be honest. Not a fucking genius, but so EDX is 08. Pretty sure that's our 08. Uh, let me see, 080412C or any of these are held over here. All right, anyways, so I'll explain to you what's happening right here. So we have a breakpoint. We stopped at where our health gets changed. Can I fucking edit this shit? All right, let me zoom in real quick just make sure I can see. So, all right, right here, right? This is where our health value is being subtracted. So if we look in here, what we see right here, we see our that should be this is probably our entity list right here, 58AC04, because you see ACX plus EAX times 4, which is uh it's an array of pointers. So it's probably our fucking entity list right there, because if you don't know, an assault cube, your entity list. I mean, we can just look at it right now, bro. Let's into this 58 AC. So let's just add an address. Address is AC underscore client dot exe. plus 58 AC04. Is that it? 58 AC04. 58 AC04. So I'm gonna call, bro. Give me like 5 seconds. Yo, what's good? Okay, sorry, I had to take a call real quick. Okay, I don't know. Let me put this in my okay, honestly, it's been a while since I worked on this game. I don't know if this will show up with anything. Okay, so we have a heap right here. Okay. Yeah, I don't know exactly, to be honest, what the fuck this shit is. I'd have to go look at it again. But anyways, I'm almost positive that this is our entity list. I just honestly, for the fuck of me, I can't remember how to. Yeah, so EAX is 0016. Okay. It's moving over 16 bytes. Okay, anyways, that's not really the point. What we're looking at here is we also get our local player class. It's like right around here too, somewhere. If we just look through our registers. So right here it's moving this into AX. Let me should turn like this shit or something. Okay, so say so we're moving ESP plus 1C into, or the we're not moving this into there. We're moving the value of whatever's inside this D word pointer address into EAX. Okay, and then we're comparing it we're comparing ESI with 1B, which we don't really know what the fuck that shit is. I don't care either. Then we're moving whatever's inside of ESP plus 38. So this is plus 38 is the offset of whatever address this is. So this address is 19E90 plus 38. So if we were to go into our reclass, we can check it out right now, see what's good in here. What does it say? So the address is, okay, we need to go check this thing out. This is probably, I don't even know what the fuck this is going to be honest. So what is it? 38. So 38. So it's a int 38. This is probably going to be the damage we're going to take. So what were we at? We're at 100 HP. So if we end up being at 62 HP after this is over, then we know this is our damage we're taking, which it's moving that to ESI. It's taking EAX and putting it into the address of EDX plus F0, which, yeah, it's moving ESP34, whatever's in the value of ESP34 into EAX. So then EAX, and it's going to move EAX, which it says EAX is 16. So we'll see whatever that, well, their address is 00016. But moving that into EDX plus CC. And I already know this because I just looked at it a second ago, but EDX is going to be our local player class in the game. So if we just go here, we can say our local player. So that's EDX, and it says what's the offset for the HP value is plus EC. So we go to EC, so EC right here, 22 HP. So looks like our HP is going to be at 22 HP once this thing loads, probably because we're probably pretty close to the grenade. So it's going to smack us down pretty hard. Or it's going to be at 22. I don't, what is this in? 1 second. Okay, yeah, I'm back. Where the fuck was that, man? Yeah, was it talking about when I was going? Talking about, oh yeah, so, okay, I think this is what I was talking about. So yeah, EDX is our local player class. Did I already go to it? Yeah, so that's our health value. So our health value is going to be 22 when we get in the game, which is 16 in hexadecimal, I guess. It's 0x16 hexadecimal, so it must have been pretty fucking close to that goddamn grenade. Alright, so if you want to, you can NOP. So this is, so yeah, this is moving EX back into EDX plus EC. We can just NOP this, I'm pretty sure. Let me try this actually. I don't know if it's gonna work, to be honest. I haven't done it yet. So let's just, what is it? Binary fill with NOPs. Okay, so we're just gonna NOP that entire section right there. And then let's run the debugger. Run that fucker. Oh my god, I just fucking what? Alright, so we knocked the section where so this is how you go to your breakpoints, by the way. You just go to breakpoints, go here, we can remove a breakpoint. But let's disable it for now. We're not gonna remove it. Get another grenade real quick and go blow ourselves up again. Cause what I'm hoping just happened is that we knocked the part where it moves the value of that register that had the new HP value and back into our health value. So hoping if I knock that, it'll just get rid of us taking damage in total. Because if you knock too much information, you don't know exactly what you're doing, like me. I mean, I'm not gonna start knocking a bunch of random ass shit that I don't know what's gonna happen, right? And I could knock out the entire thing, but last time I did that, my game just crashed. Well, it didn't crash immediately, but it took a little minute. Okay, here's a grenade. So let's just see. Yeah, I didn't do any damage to us. We might not have been close enough. Wait for another grenade to spawn real quick. Okay, let's just throw like right here. Okay, that still killed us. Okay, let's re-enable our breakpoint. So if we take any damage, okay, let's go get the grenade again. Why am I like in a goddamn maze, bro? Jesus. Okay. This should put a breakpoint. The fuck? I wonder if it's different based on the distance that you are to the grenade. Because that might be what it is, because yeah, that instantly killed us. Oh, and our game just crashed. Okay. Let's just stop. Let's open a soul cube. Single player, empty map. I'm more of an alcove guy. I'm trying to do a song, bro. Let me go to my chill playlist, turn this on. Let's relax. Alright, I'm gonna maybe redo that because I want to make it so. I've done it in Cheat Engine before where I just made it so I just didn't take any damage at all. Reattach to Soul Cube. No. No, we don't want to load that. Let's go through here. Let's go back to symbols. Because we're in a different module. We don't want to be there. Okay, we're good. All right, so I'm just pressing a couple times just because x32dbg or x64dbg will make some breakpoints whenever it starts it up first. So let's get our health value real quick with Cheat Engine. So just do the same thing we did last time. Do a quick first scan. Hit 78. I wonder if there's a way to do this with x32dbg also. If there is, I don't know how to do it. I guess maybe we can find out or something. I don't know. So let's go to this address. Let's see our thing. Let's go. Breakpoint, hardware. Let's create a D-word breakpoint. Let's bomb ourselves again. Okay, so it pauses, it sets it here. So yeah, this is where it wants to go. I don't want to remove here because this is where the breakpoint goes and it starts running off. Right here. Okay, let's go moves that NTAX and yeah, getting rid of this should stop it from being pushed back into EDX plus EC because it wants to move EAX, which is 00006 back into the address value of EDX plus EC, which is our health address. So we know that. And then set eal. Okay, I'm pretty sure I looked up on ChatGPT, but I can't remember what this means. It's after comparison. So it's used after comparison. Set al to 1 if ex is equal to 5, otherwise set al to 0. So honestly, no, I really don't know what that means, to be honest. Here's our city instruction. AL is the low byte of EAX. It's a low byte of EAX. So it's a lower byte of EAX register. Set EAL checks a 0 flag ZF and sets AL to 1 if ZF is set high. For example, if the result of the last comparison was equal, otherwise it is set to AL. So, this is going to see if our health was set to this. See if EX and the address of that are equal to each other. Yeah. I mean, we could just skip out all this shit right here. We can knock this out. It'll just get rid of our code when we take damage, though. I mean, let's just try it. Let's just try it real quick. Let's fill that with knobs. Okay, let's go to breakpoints. Yeah, let's just disable this. Disable that. And then let's go to CPU to run. What are you talking about? That's because this is fucking enabled. Let's remove this. Why is this not disabled? Is it because I fucked something up? Yeah, I probably fucked something up, didn't I? Yeah, is there a way to undo? I don't think I should have done that, to be honest. Yeah, because now it's stuck here and we can't run through the game. Okay, let's just terminate again. Okay, let me just redo this. This is a pretty scuff video, but it is what it is. Let's go get another grenade. G engine, okay. Okay, 61. Okay. Touch the AC client. Go to the symbols. It's gonna load through here. Okay, let's go to symbols. Go to AC underscore client. Let's go to the dump one. Go to the go to expression. Copy and paste that. So let's go to this address. Let's set a breakpoint. Breakpoint. Hardware right. D word. So whenever something shows a write to this address, our breakpoint will activate. Let's see this out. Try setting. Let's go to right here. And just knob this out. So those are knobs. Yeah. Let's go to our breakpoint. And just disable this. Hardware breakpoint disabled. The games are running. What does that mean? Hardware breakpoint disabled. I don't know why this is freezing, to be honest with you. Because it's going to here, it just has no idea what's happening. I don't know what to fill that with. I'm just hoping we could just knock that out. So your game crashed. I don't really know. Okay, well, anyways, I'm gonna stop the video here, or I guess I'll pause it until I get it to work because it's kind of a waste of time for you to watch. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I figured it out now. Um, yeah, so basically, if you want to get rid of the damage, You can just come to where is it that it sets the what's the address of where it set our thing? I can't remember. We'll get our breakpoint. Well, let me take some damage and then it'll go to our breakpoint. We'll see. I think a deathmatch, the things will still be to hurt me. Okay. Get over here. I think one of them just threw a grenade at me. So stop is right here. Let's see, subtracting ECX from ESI. Subtracting ESI from EBX plus 4. What is EBX plus 4? Let's go to reclass and check this out. Reattach. Let's go here. So plus 4 would be player rent, ident, player state. Let's subtract battle bit from this thing. This might be a player in the game. See a T right here. It's probably might be their name. Put my calculator. I must subtract some bytes from here. Let's plug this in. Minus. Let's just say 256. Plug this back in here. Yeah, maybe not. I don't know. Because it looks like 960 E2C is where our health value is. Here, let's just. So this is modifying our health value. Apparently. This is just setting up our game right here. Let's just keep running. Alright, so if we get shot at, let's see if that changes it. I'm assuming this guy just shot at me. And before I took any damage, it paused the game. It's the same thing, so it's subtracting D word. Well, let's make sure. Okay, it is him shooting at me. Okay. Yeah, so these subtractions, EBX must be. Take a reclass real quick. Minus 20. We're probably dead if we just press this button here. We're probably dead. Yeah, we are. So this is spawning back in. When it pauses, that means our health is being updated. So let's just take a look. So this guy shot at me. Go back to here. So it looks like we're at 40 HP right now. We're about to die. Because subtracting. Okay, so we can just get rid of this. Get rid of these two. This would make us invincible, I'm pretty sure. It's just for those knobs. And then let's just. Okay, we're in the debugger. Okay, now we're invincible, so we knocked the damage from bullets. Now it doesn't edit our HP value at all. Can I save? I can save database, okay. Alright, well cool. So now we're invincible in the game, so we just knocked the information that makes us take damage. Or not take damage, but take damage from shooting. We should still be able to take damage from certain sources. Let's see, This is where our healing is, so we're adding EAX to so EAX, we're adding 21 hex to that. Let me see what that is with the calculator. Clear, let's go to binary 21, no, it's in a hex, am I doing 21 hex? So it's adding 33, so this HP should be 73. Okay, it is. Let me just hit 100 HP, okay. Alright, let's see if this bomb still kills us, so... Okay, no, yeah, we're completely invincible now, so we knocked bombs and weapon damage. Looks like that. It looks like it does it for every single player in the game, though. That it seems like. Yeah, every player in the game is invincible. So. All right. Well, anyways, yeah. Let's. Okay, look at this. We got here. We got these players. Client XP. Player star light none dummy wood ceiling. .png.jpg. We can probably open this in IDA or something and look at its game content. Anyways, was I making a cheat for this game or was I doing this? I can't remember. I think I was just doing this because I thought it would be fun. Alright, well that's gonna be the end of this video, just showing you how to use x32dbg. If you learn anything, you want me to make an actual in-depth tutorial on working with it, because I don't think I really explain much of its concepts or how to do things. I just show you how to access the dump and go to each different address that you want to look around at when using cheat engine. Reclass.net is just for looking at what's around it and having it. You can change the values. You can set them integers or vectors, depending on like if you see position values or you see a view matrix of some sort, like the pitch and yaw and stuff. But if you want me to make an in-depth tutorial on reverse engineering a game like Assault Cube or something along those lines, like here I'll do like Assault Cube or CS2 or something. Just let me know in the chat. What is it fucking called? Oh, the comment section. Yeah, if you want me to do something like that, let me know in the comment section. It'd be really beneficial for me. I'll do a lot of research on it, and then I can go over it with y'all, and we can all learn a lot. So I think it'd be fun. But just let me know. I'm probably gonna keep on doing this stuff for the next while. Just gonna be working on it. All right. Till next video, I guess. Peace out.